Hey guys, welcome back to the 77 Cycle Trader on this, the 18th of November 2021. Today I will be going over the 7 trades that I took in the NQ. I had 4 winners and 3 losers. We are going to start on the 5-minute chart where I'll provide an overview of the trades taken and then pivot to the 1-minute chart where I'll provide some details with respect to my entries and exits. So let's just get to the trades. The first trade of the day was a loss. This was based purely on emotion and impulse. It had nothing to do with technical analysis. And after quickly gathering myself, I closed this trade off for a loss of $150. The second trade, however, even though it was a loss, was based on technical analysis. This level came about based on the action that took place pre-market or after-market. I saw that price ran up into this particular level at $16,409.25. and it was rejected. So I counted 4 levels down. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, which gave me my entry here at $16,373. If I had full confidence in this trade, I would have remained in it and it would have been successful, but I lost confidence and closed this for a loss of $200. Let's see, this candle had a low of $16,353.25. My stop loss was at $16,353. I would have still been in this trade. Well, that's neither here nor there. I closed the trade off, I took the loss, and I moved on. The third trade of the day came at this level, which was at $16,361. This worked out. The reasoning behind placing a limit order here is market fell pre-market. You had a pause candle, then you had a continuation of the fall. If you do count from this level here, you had 1, 2, 3, 4 levels down. It was an easy spot for me to place an entry order. I placed my entry here. This trade was successful. I made $360. I, however, didn't stay in this trade or maximize it to its fullest potential. I decided to lock in profits. I believe it was somewhere here in this area. And then I moved on to the fourth trade. The fourth trade took place at this level. And why did I place an entry here? Simply put, I counted, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This should have been my exit. So I decided to re-enter a trade here. I placed a trailing stop here and I got a bit more off of this trade as the price was broken at this level. The fifth trade was based on price action and my 3 sets of red candle rule. I noticed that market opened, you had this nice big red candle, you had a second red candle, then you had a third. Usually after 3 sets of red candles, you have a price reversal, which is what we had here. I, however, didn't enter the trade at this level. I got in at $16,397.25. And let's see, on that fifth trade, that was for a total of $235. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4. I placed a trailing stop at $16,409.25. This got triggered and I grabbed $235. This, however, turned out to be a good decision because I'm guessing that there was a supply area here and prices rolled over. I then got back into another trade at, this was my 6th trade and I took this at 10.58. This was a loser. I actually ate everything. I had my stop loss triggered, which was at $400. I initially thought this was a good trade. I stepped away, and by the time I got back to the workstation, I was out of the trade. Such is life. On my last trade of the day, it finally clicked. Everything just worked out. All the components of the 77 cycle trader plan just worked out perfectly. And what do I mean by that? Let's see. You had 1 set of falling red candles, you had another single red candle and a third red candle. So you had 1, 2, 3 red candles. As stated previously, after 3 sets of falling red candles, you usually get a price reversal. In addition to that, I had my 2 humps on stochastic RSI, 1, 2. In addition to that, you had a horizontal level on RSI being broken here, and you also had a trend line nearby that was about to be broken. So I got into my final trade at $16,349. And this one, I held it to its fullest potential. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4. and just got a bit more once my trailing stop was activated. So let's just head over to the 1 minute chart and we can discuss my entries and exits. We will start on my third trade of the day, which took place at 9:34 on this candle at this level, and this trade ran from 9:34 to 9:42, which was here where you see the letter E. So all in all, it was a good trade. As I stated before, I didn't run it to its maximum potential. I, however, locked in profits, which was good, of $360. My 4 trades started at 9:43, which is here, and this trade ran from 9:43 to 9:46, which is on this candle. I exited this trade on this candle, and I secured on this, the 4 trade, $370. The 5th trade came about at 9:59, which is right here, at a level of $16,397.25, and it ran to 10:05. This trade endured a pullback, then a reversal, which was cool with me. I had my trailing stop, it got triggered, exited the trade here. The 6th trade, which was the maximum loss, I entered at 10:58 and it ran to 11:03, which is right here. As I stated, I stepped away, came back. By the time I came back, I was all out of the trade. Such is life. But these are the things that I need to remove from my day-to-day trading. The 7th trade of the day, however, was a very good trade in my opinion. It was successful. I got into this trade at 11:08, which would be here. No, right here. I'm sorry. It would be here at $16,349.25, just a quarter above this level, and ran it, as I stated earlier, to its fullest potential. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a bit more. I got out of this trade at 11:12. So folks, all in all, today I made, and yet again I didn't write it down, you all will see the total amount of money made today right now. With that said, let's put a bookend on it. But before doing so, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day, folks. I will see you all tomorrow.